Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be doing a tutorial or like a review on this wig that I got from Luvme Hair. So this is the Put On and Go Glueless Kinky Straight Headband Wig Unit. I got this in 20 inches and I also got this for free with their BOGO sale. So normally this is $219, but like I said, I got it for free because it was a part of a coupon. But this is just me opening it up. So the wig came in this cute little bag. It also came with these like labels where you can label your unit and I guess put it on your box if you are collecting them. So I'm just showing you that here. It also came with some wig caps, which I also found out later. You'll see them. They're like brown, which I love because usually my wig caps are like beige. And it came with this like headband velcro thing. I've like seen these but actually don't know what they are. My friend told me that it'll like help with like glueless units to help your like lace stick down to your head more, but it's supposed to go around your head like that. I've never used one, don't know what it is, but it also came with that, so that was exciting. And the last thing it came with was a tutorial or like guide showing you how to care for the wig and how to care for the unit, how to wash it and all that stuff. Okay, so with everything out of the box, I'm now gonna just put on this wig cap. And after I have the wig cap installed, I'm now going to put on the headband unit. So if you know a thing or two about headbands, it's literally just a wig, but there's no lace or anything, so you don't need glue or anything like that. You literally just throw it on. And so I'm going to be doing that right now, but I'm just taking it out the net, and this is what it looks like fresh out the box. As you can see, it was super soft, super easy to run my fingers through. I absolutely love the texture, and it also came with combs on the inside as well. You can see with the elastic. I don't use the combs usually. I just put the back comb in and then put the headband around, but now it's on. And so as you can see, I'm fixing the headband and adjusting the wig, but that's how the unit looks on. It was so nice, so flattering. I love the texture. It looks so natural. It looks like a blown out, and I never really had a wig like this, but I was so excited to be able to style this unit and get some wears out of it. So here I'm just going to show you how long it is. Ignore me, I'm literally in my pajamas, but as you can see, it's definitely giving 20 inches. It's long, full. I don't know how much density it is, but it was definitely a lot of hair. But it was super light, like you could not feel it. Felt like it was weightless, to be honest. But as you can see, super soft, running my fingers through it, and honestly 10 out of 10. It's super cute, and yeah. As I turn around, you can see how the headband goes all the way to the back and it's just attached by some Velcro. So that's what the back of the hair looks like. There's no lace on this unit whatsoever. So you literally just throw this on and go. I didn't bother to do my edges, but anyway, here I have my curling iron and I'm just going to put some curls in it to see how it takes the heat. And so as you can see, I'm just going to be adding some curls, and yeah. As you can see, it's giving bounce, super cute. Alright, and now I have half the hair curled. As you can see, this side is curled, this side isn't, and I'm just going to be curling the rest. And here it is. As you can see, it's such a voluptuous curl. It's so cute, so elegant, and looks so natural. I was so in love. Later, I did find out that the curls did not hold that well for some reason. I think I might just have to like clip them or like use some hairspray or whatever. But this is what they looked like right after I curled them, and I was so impressed, honestly. Like, it was so cute. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.
In my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head